How to fix Valorant HVCI enable error? For this first step, click settings, click privacy and security settings, click Windows security, click device security, and you have seen the core isolation detail. Click it and make sure the memory integrity should be in enable mode. Make sure it memory integrity is the Windows settings that enable HVCI. After come to next step, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending having means you need to download and install it. Make your Windows up to date. After that close it and come to next step, reinstall Riot Vanguard. For this click settings, click app settings, click install app, scroll down and search for Riot Vanguard. Click the three dot icon in the right hand side, click uninstall, click yes and uninstall it. Wait for some times to uninstall completely. After uninstall, you need to open Riot client. It will automatically asking to reinstall the Riot Vanguard. Freshly reinstall the Riot Vanguard. After reinstall, restart your device. So enable visualization and BIOS and enable secure boot and TPM 2.0. For this, I have done a separate guide. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.